Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Discord tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your game activity on Discord. So as you can see here in my server, it shows I'm online and I'm playing Battlefield 6. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn that off and hide your game activity when you're using Discord. One thing to keep in mind, this does require the Discord app on your computer. You will not be able to change these settings if you're just using Discord in the browser or on your phone. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open the Discord app on our computer, then go down and select the gear next to your username down here for user settings. Once the settings open, in the left sidebar, scroll down until you see activity settings and select activity status. Now that we're on the activity status screen, to completely hide our game activity, all we need to do is find the little toggle switch next to display current activity as a status message. Simply toggle that off. And then when I close the settings here, you can see that it is no longer showing what game I'm playing. All right, so that's how you hide your gaming activity in Discord. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Discord tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.